टॉप बैंकिंग स्टॉक्स जनवरी 2021। इंडिया की बैंकिंग रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी आरबीआई ने अपने फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी रिपोर्ट एफएसआर में ये प्रेडिक्ट किया है कि इंडियन बैंक की फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट हो सकती है कुछ महीनों में। इसके पीछे में मेन रीज़न बताया गया है कि ग्रॉस एनपीए यानी नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट्स का बढ़ना। आरबीआई का प्रेडिक्शन ये है कि अगर करंट मार्केट सिनेरियो ऐसे ही चलता रहा और बैंक का फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन चेंज नहीं हुआ तो एनपीए 13.5% टच कर सकता है, और अगर और भी स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन हुआ तो ग्रॉस एनपीए 14.8% भी जा सकता है। ये नंबर फिलहाल 7.5% यानी इसके डबल होने के चांसेस है। आज के वीडियो में मैं बताऊंगा कि कौन सी बैंकिंग स्टॉक्स आपके पोर्टफोलियो के लिए कैसा रिटर्न दे सकती है फ्यूचर में। तो वीडियो को अंत तक देखिए और मेरे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और साथ में बेल आइकन भी दबा लीजिए ताकि जब भी मैं नया वीडियो अपलोड करूं आप सबसे पहले देख सके। मैं हूं निकुंज टेक सुविचार से। तो लीजिए शुरू करते हैं। What to buy? The big question facing investor is what should they buy? Experts favor private sector lenders as well as players who are retail focused. Most all private sector banks look attractive on a value added basis. They trade at or below 1x on the financial year 22 book value as compared to their 10 average of 1.3 to 1.4x. However, earnings of this old private sector bank could be very volatile due to recognition of higher NPA in the forthcoming quarter. In terms of growth, we expect all private sector bank to report healthy 25 to 30% earning growth in financial year 22. The ROE of all private sector banks would lag behind the larger private sector banks in financial year 22 but improves substantially in financial year 23. If you like this statement, then please like my video, share in your group, and please motivate me. Even after the run up in most banking stocks, they were seeing more than 20% upside in two old private sector bank, that is DCB Bank and Karur Vysya Bank. Private banks should be accumulated on every dip. The bigger gets even bigger and be with winners. Invest in banks like HDFC, Kotak, ICICI, where leaders are always leaders and will be the leaders even after 10 years. Motilal Oswal is one of the view that slippage are likely to increase over second half of financial year 21. Particularly after the Supreme Court order gets lifted, many banks have already provided for this and carry on additional provision buffer which should limit the impact on profitability. Even as credit score remains elevated, their top buys remains ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI and AU Small Finance Bank. Opportunities amid potential risk. The Nifty Bank has rallied 69% so far in financial year 21, and 9 stocks including State Bank of India, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, RBL Bank and Indus Bank rallied 50 to 100% during the period. However, on a year-to-year basis, the Nifty Bank closed lower by about 3%. The underperformers of 2020 could be turned out to be the outperformer of 2021, said by the experts. To be one of the safe side, investors could increase their weightage in the private sector bank and reduce in the public sector holding or MSMEs. The risk, if any, to the financial sector is potential NPA that can prop up from loan under moratorium. The risk of bad loan could be more from the MSME and retail side than the corporate side this time around. As per the RBI report, the stress of NBFCs could move up 50 to 200 bps as compared to 600 to 750 bps from bank. From Dalal Street perspective, more investors prefer to invest in private sector bank and NBFCs as compared to PSU bank. In the case of private sector bank, the larger one have been aggressive in providing for NPA in advance, which can be seen from the side in provision coverage ratio of the last 2 quarters, he said. Data suggests the few of the large banks have raised big capital and strengthened their balance sheet. Large private sector banks could be in a better position to handle any slippage and higher NPS, expert said. The banking sector is expected to trade in the range in the first half of 2021. Stock picking is the idea which I am looking forward to. Bank will focus on retail loans and can outperform the sector, and most importantly avoid PSU bank even if you find them cheap on the valuation basis. Please let me know what is your comment in the comment section. This is Nikunj from Tax Suvichar.